Hello, it's Angeline. Christmas is almost here and it's time to make another holiday card. So here today I'm going to create this watercolor winter night sky, and I've already stamped this Stay Warm Snowman kit and grabbing the circle nested die from Cat Scrappiness to just draw a circle around my snowman. You could always use any plates or bowls that you have or any circular object. Just use your pencil to trace the line gently around the circle. Then I'm grabbing a black pen here to just draw in the lines to continue from where the stamped image is, and then just rubbing off the excess circle at the bottom of the snow line. Grabbing my Jane Davenport watercolors here to paint in my moon kind of looking object behind the snowman, and here I'm just wetting the borders of where I want the colors to be. Because I'm not using watercolor cardstock, the colors are not going to be blending as well, but it can also work on regular cardstock. You just need to finesse it a little bit more and work it in more than if you are using a watercolor cardstock. So I'm just gonna paint and let the music play. So once you're done with that layer, make sure you dry it up before you start off with the next layer. I'm just using the same technique here and just carefully putting water on the borders and just putting the watercolors where I've put the water. And this will create a nice background for your moon. So now I'm just adding some light blue to the snow to create some dimension at the bottom so that it does not look too stark, and you can call it a day here. But I decided to add some stars to the background using my Sakura Jelly Roll white pen. So here is my finished card, and that is how I've painted my winter starry night sky. Thanks for watching. Bye!